Hello everyone and welcome to some Python programming tutorials. I'm Root of the Null and today we're going to be looking at sympy. This is the first video tutorial in the series and today we're just going to go over the really simple step, installation. Sympy is not part of the built-in Python package, it doesn't come along with it, so we're going to have to install it. I'm going to go ahead and call it sympy. It might be pronounced sympy. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it or the whole rest of the world pronounces it. You might just have to deal, but I might actually even go back and forth between sympy or sympy, whatever just happens to rolls off the tongue at the current moment. So, I've got my web browser open up right now. I'm over to my URL bar, and you can head on over to sympy, or sympy.org. And once this page loads, you got, BAM! Check it out! I'm going to read through this little about paragraph description. Note that sympy is a Python library for symbolic mathematics. It aims to become a fully featured computer algebra system while keeping the code as simple as possible in order to be comprehensible and easily extensible. Sympy is written entirely in Python and does not require any external libraries. So that's awesome. You can see this download now button. I'm going to hop on that. Bam. Alright. You can see it took us over to GitHub. We're using version 0.7.6. That's awesome. And it got a little bunch of options here for us to download. We got the source installer, we got a Windows 32-bit installer, we've got documentation, and even a PDF version of documentation. I'm on Windows right now, and I will be probably throughout this whole series, so we're going to want this one right here, the Windows installer. You can see, if you keep scrolling down, we got these green buttons here, and that's where you can click on your download. Click on that, go ahead and save it wherever you'd like. I've already got one here, I'll just replace it. And cool. I'll head over to my desktop, and I got this ready for us already. Click on this thing, go ahead and run the file to install it, and bam. You should see this blue window and everything pop up. Go ahead and click the next button a jillion times. If you've got Python installed, which I'm sure you probably already do, the installer should be able to find it in the registry, and then just roll with that. Go ahead and hit next a bunch of times. You might get an error, I know I do, but I don't know. It's all fine and dandy for me once I hit the OK button, it just keeps doing its thing. So if that happens to you, hey man, roll with it. Roll with the flow, you know what I'm saying? And it just goes through this shindig, and cool, we're done. Super awesome. Now, if I fire up idle, you got a little Python interpreter over here. I'll bring this over for you guys. Notice that if we go ahead and type in import sympy, we hit enter, bam, it works for us. Now we can use everything in this module. All the cool and awesome things. And that's exactly what all this little video tutorial was. I just wanted to show you how you can install it, walk you through the installation process, super duper simple. And in the next couple of tutorials we'll get through an introduction, why sympy is awesome, what awesome things you can do with it, and how everything in the world is awesome. You're just living in a world of awesome, awesome stuff. So, thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.